Hey, this is Rodney with This Old Man's Workshop. I'm back to do another project. I'm going to run that welcome sign. Back a few days or a couple weeks ago, we did a Vcarve welcome sign, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to run it today on my CNC router. I'm going to use a piece of this scrap wood. It's plywood. It's cabinet grade. Place not too far from where I live, I don't know, maybe 20 miles. They sell cut-off pieces, cabinet cut-off pieces, and it's fairly reasonable. It's so I've got one side is got a real nice finish on it. The other side has actually got a good finish on it too. What we're going to do though is I'm going to put some. What we're going to do is I'm going to put some matting down on it, and I'll run it, and then I'm going to spray satin black into the letters and things, and then I'll peel the matting off. I've tried several different kinds. This here is my favorite. It's Oracle 813. See if you can see that up there, Oracle 813. I think I got this off eBay. I've tried several of them. I've tried this Cricut. This here actually works fairly good. This is foil, adhesive foil. This is premium vinyl Cricut. I've also tried this is the Oracle 631. I've tried that, and I've also tried this here. Somebody said that was good. Adhesive cabinet liner. And here's how they turned out. You can see on this one here, this, which would be the premium vinyl, I actually done the best. I don't know if you can see up there. This here would be the cabinet liner. It actually didn't do good at all. It seemed like it just melted and ran together. This here is the Cricut he's a foil, and it done fairly good on there. Can you see that? And then this here is the Oracle 631. Like I said, no, this ain't. This is tape, regular tape. The best one I found though is the 831. And what I'll do here is, yeah, that's pretty close. I'm not, the sign I'm making is only 17 by 10, and this piece here is 17 by 12, 13, I think. So we're bigger than actually what we need here. Alright, so I'm going to cut this masking here. This tape back on there so it doesn't unravel. Put it back in this plastic bag. This shocker got sawdust all over it. Alright. So what I like to do is get it nice and clean, which I think that's what that is. And then I will put this on there. Whoop. It's best if you get as few wrinkles in it as possible. Get all the air bubbles out. Some people use rollers and things like that, and I don't know if I have a roller here somewhere on there. Alright, there we go. Press this down really good, because you don't want this thing popping up when we're trying to cut. Alright. That looks pretty good. Let me take this rag here and go over it. There we go. That seems to be on there pretty good. Alright. I'll show it to you what it looks like. Like I said, this here is quite a bit wider than what we're going to actually be using. I'm also going to make a X in the middle. X in the middle. I'll basically do that by going from corner to corner. Put a line in the middle. That way when I set up the CNC, I'll just... Alright, there's just a line in the middle. I know you can't hardly see that, it's pencil on there, but... Alright, so we're ready to run it. Let's go over to the machine.